Hey everyone, I am going to introducing the SteelSeries Aerox 5 Wireless, the lightest gaming mouse on the market, at just 66 grams. It's so light you'll barely even notice it in your hand. But don't let its weight fool you. The Aerox 5 is packed with features that make it a serious contender for the best gaming mouse on the market. On-screen text. SteelSeries Aerox 5 Wireless 66 grams TrueMove Air Sensor 18,000 CPI. 180 hours of battery life narrator. The Aerox 5 features the TrueMove Air Sensor, which is the most accurate and reliable sensor on the market. It tracks your movements perfectly, even at the highest DPI settings. And with 180 hours of battery life, you can game all day long without having to worry about running out of power. On-screen text. 9 programmable buttons. Aquabarrier protection. SteelSeries engine software narrator. The Aerox 5 also has 9 programmable buttons, so you can customize it to fit your playstyle perfectly. And with Aquabarrier protection, you don't have to worry about accidents spilling on your mouse. Plus, the SteelSeries engine software gives you even more customization options, so you can make the Aerox 5 your own. On-screen text. The lightest, most powerful gaming mouse on the market. Narrator. If you're looking for the best gaming mouse on the market, the Steel lighter, win harder. Call to action. Order your SteelSeries Aerox 5 Wireless today at SteelSeries.com.